Hey y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartsel Homestead. I'm back here with you on the Creative Retreat Kits YouTube channel, just sharing some prayerful reflections of this month's kit, God Who Bends Down. I'm creating a simple page here in my reflections journal. I'm using one of my favorite go-tos for a quick but beautiful entry, and it is using clear sticker paper. I just simply open up the Faith-Filled Digitals and I open them in an editing program where I can just kind of cut out or copy and paste any of the elements that I want to use. I don't just have to print out the page as it comes in full. I can just kind of pull and copy paste as many of repeated elements that I want to use until I get to a full sheet. I cannot stand to waste my sticker paper, so I'll fill it up, and then if I have any leftover stickers, I just put them in a stash for other simple entries in my margins. It takes longer, though, to cut the little stickers out than it does to build the page because it really does make a page come together quickly. I am also using one of the journaling cards from the digital kit as my centerpiece here in the middle of my page. I'm going to be doing some note-taking, verse mapping on it a little bit later. I do mark with a light pencil marking on my page before I start the edges of my card, so I know where I need to create my border, and I don't really hide too much of it behind. I want all of my sticker elements to show up. So I want to create something here of a wreath or floral arrangement kind of popping out from behind my card. All I do here is layer and layer and layer some more these clear sticker elements. Danielle has done all of the art part for me here, if you will. So all I had to do was make multiple copies and then just build this beautiful arrangement out of all of those little floral elements and leafy elements that were in our digital kit. I love the focus verse this month. It is a wonderful reminder to each of us. Psalm 116 and 2. Because he bends down to listen, I will pray as long as I have breath. After I build my page here, I did go in and add some notes to this verse, some kind of verse mapping notes, but in my own words this time. I sometimes go in and break it apart, use dictionaries, use other resources to kind of give me a deeper understanding of each of these words. But today, I just wanted to break it down in a prayerful way, in my own words, my own simple understanding, to remind me of God's promise to dwell and come near to me and hear me when I pray. He listens to me, hears me, and knows my heart, and I will pray as long as I have breath, or as long as I live on earth and with him in heaven. See, we will live eternally with God and continually pray, commune with, and praise him. Prayer is a gift that we don't have to save for special occasions or only use when we need something. Prayer is an invitation to fellowship with God continually. No timelines, no limitations, all day, all night. What a wonderful and precious opportunity. I hope y'all join us this month for this wonderful creative study. Both physical and digital kits are available, along with some other creative goodies in the Creative Retreat Kits shop, and I've got that linked below. Sticker paper is a pretty easy find out online. I think I picked up a big pack from Amazon, and I have used it for many projects. So just give yourself some time to search and find a little bit of clear sticker paper. There's also a white sticker paper that you can use if you like to have little white edges or backgrounds to work with on that. Y'all have a blessed day.